this town.
So, hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel! So, today guys, we're gonna go to
in 600 meters,
Radisson Blu in, I don't know, it's in Malas. Radisson Blu Riyadh in Malas. And we're gonna celebrate our 5th anniversary! Daddy! I love you, Daddy! Happy anniversary! So, ayun nga guys. Tomorrow anniversary namin ni Daddy. So, we decided to just stay for 2 days and 1 night sa hotel. Kasi wala naman ibang pwedeng puntahan dito sa Riyadh, guys. Kung hindi, ganun lang, staycation lang, or if you want to go somewhere like sa mall or sa mga yung mga tourist places nila, ganun. Pero kami, we just decided to just to have a staycation, family staycation. Kasi si Lex, super nag-enjoy siya kapag nag-stay kami sa hotel kasi may swimming pool doon and meron dong playground. So, ayun, kapag laro-laro siya. So, happy naman siya. Kahit na 2 days lang, at least makapag-relax din kami and mawala ang stress ni Daddy. Right, Daddy? So, ayun guys, samahan nyo kami. See you later! So, hi guys! Nandito na kami ngayon sa Radisson Blu. Kaka-check-in lang namin. And we're just waiting for our bags. And nagpa-park lang din si Daddy. So, while waiting, we are here at the lobby. Here's Lexus. Lexus, say hi! Here, say hi to our vlog. Hi! Are you okay? Okay, so we're just waiting for Daddy. So, tour muna namin kayo, ha? So, here's the lobby. Here's Lexi. Lexi, say hi. You like it? So, that's the reception area. And, yan. May road construction sa labas. So, if ever guys, you want to check in, nakamalito kayo, nasa likod ang daan, likod ng Radisson Blu. So, may mga road signs naman ng Radisson Blu, so hindi naman kayo mahihirapan guys. So, you need to go to the back and then just ikot lang kayo para makarating kayo sa front side. So, ayun nga guys, naghihintay pa kami for Daddy because he's parking the car. And, bali, we're so happy kasi they upgrade our room. Naging royal suite siya. So, ayun, sobrang happy kami. Gift nila sa amin for our wedding anniversary. So, thank you, Radisson Blu. And, later, itutur namin kayo sa room namin. So, hintayin lang namin si Daddy and then aakyat na kami. Sa 7th floor kami naka-check-in. So, see you guys later. Bye!
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated, oh. Jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are.
So, ayun guys. Papunta na kami sa room namin. Ayan, ganyan itsura ng lobby niya. So, here's Lexi and Daddy. Heading to our room. Ay, Daddy, this is the one. This is our room. Lumagpas na kami. So, let's see what's inside. Are you excited, Lexi? We're here! So, we're happy kasi in-upgrade nila ang aming room into Royal Suite. So, tingnan natin. Kapag-itsura. Wow! You like our room? Huh? You like our room? Wow! Ang ganda ng room namin, guys. Ayan. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
So, ayan siya, guys. Super spacious niya. Thank you, Radisson Blu, for upgrading our hotel. Thank you so much. Oh, ayun siya, oh. Ayun yung bed namin. Ang ganda. First time yung bed na ganyan yung itsura niya. Hindi siya yung nasa gilid. So, let's see what's inside. This is the vanity.
Hey, look, hey!
Oh, hey, look daw, oh. Sabi ni Lexi. Oh, we have a bathtub. Oh, here. Yan. Ayan. So, hi guys. Ayan. Namamasyal kami. Nandito kami ngayon sa 4th floor. So, ayan. Dito yung kanilang restaurant. See? Ayan. Dyan yung restaurant nila. And, oh. Madami pala silang restaurant dito.
Chest and I'll let you sink in. The devils within that turn me against myself. I cried, I water, love is mine. My skin turns to ashes and I struggle.
So guys, ito yung health club nila. Ayan. Andun yung gym. So, after the gym, yan. Ayan naman yung swimming pool area. So, let's check. Open the door, Daddy.
I can swim! Oh, want to swim?
You want to swim?
So, ayun guys. Open area. So, look. Yan, may naliligo guys. Ayan siya. Ang sarap kasi malamig na. So, I don't know if magsiswimming sila Lex. You want to swim? But you need to change your clothes if you want to swim. You want to swim, Daddy? Huh? Okay, din Daddy. So, ito, meron silang maliit na. No, B. You need to change your clothes. So, ayan. But, hindi ako pwedeng maligo, guys. Dito lang kayo sa maliit lang.
2 hours later.
This is the salad area. Careful, B, ha? These are the main courses. Dapat, Daddy, ano eh, buksan mo siya for me. Mix seafood. Hen with pink sauce. This one. Masarap siya, ha? Ano to? Ano nakalagay? Para siyang fish fillet. This is the vegetables. Okay. Potato. This. Ito fish. Siguro yung kanina doon beef. Siguro yun. Or chicken fillet, no? Beef steak. Adi, your favorite.
Yan, beef steak.
Ay, nakalagay yung beef steak. Maybe ibang ibang variant ng beef steak. Masarap. Eggplant with vegetables. And the white rice. So guys, ito yung outdoor ng fine dining nila. So, ayan, magda-dine in kayo dun sa loob. So after that, you can stay here outside. Ayan, outdoor siya, look. If you want to go for a coffee, ayan, dito chill.
Day 2.
Hello guys! Good morning!
Morning!
So today is December 30th and it's our wedding anniversary. Happy wedding anniversary, Daddy!
Happy wedding anniversary!
Say happy wedding anniversary, Mommy and Daddy! Come on!
Say,
Happy
happy
wedding anniversary! Mommy and Daddy! You don't like? You're shy? Okay. So, today is, what time na ba, Daddy? So, it's 8:15 a.m. and, bababa na po kami kasi we will have our breakfast. So, check natin kung anong breakfast nila. So, kagabi nag-dinner kami. It's international buffet. So, ngayon is international breakfast din. Kasi every Friday daw ang kanilang seafood night. So, Saturday night kami nagpunta. And yung Saturday night nila is just international buffet. So, we will see. Check natin kung anong food nila. See you later, guys. Bye. hi guys. This is our breakfast. What's our breakfast, B? Show them.
Chocolate syrups.
Chocolate cereals. So chocolate cereals. And then you have
Hot dog.
hot dog. This is sausage. Sausage.
Sausage.
And then si Daddy. Si Daddy ano yan eh? Arabic. Ano? Middle Eastern.
Full.
Full and what's that, Daddy?
Alcobos.
Kubos.
Milk.
And yes. Ano to, Daddy?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. And palakas. So for me, I have omelette. So wala silang bread. But they have mushroom here, potato, and sausage, and bacon. So let's eat, guys. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.
Bye.
3 hours later.
So, hi guys! Nandito na kami sa lobby. So, mag-check out na kami today. It's already 11:40. So, ang check out time is 12. So, ayun. Actually, nakapag-check out na ako. Si Daddy. Where's the car, Daddy? Sa baba pa rin. So, ayun. Nagka-picture lang kami. And then, later, uwi na kami. Baby! Lexi! So, ayan guys. So, hope you enjoy our video. Until our next vlog. B! Say bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Come here.
Bye, Daddy! Bye, Daddy! Bye, Daddy!
Bye-bye.
Bye, baby! Come here! Come here! Bye! Say bye-bye! Say bye to our vlog! Bye! See you next time! See you next time!
Bye.
See you next time!
Makulit naman.